Basti ayaw makina.
Ano yan? Magpaka kaya muna.
Basti!
Masakit pa rin?
Hindi ko,
So si Nicole pilay.
Akala ko magaling na ako. Party not. As in may...
No, mukhang katapilok-tapilok yan. Ano yan?
Step ko siya masarap yung...
Okay, so we're finally here in Enderun. About to celebrate the birthday of Mommy. Dito sa Enderun. Halika, mag-picture muna tayo dito. Vila, picture mo muna kami isa. Ayan ba yung angle?
Wait, dito ko kaya sa dito.
Kapag-shotang dito.
This boy is having a headache. Bibideo ko kayo. Sige na, go. Let's go. Nicole, hawak ka. Nico, Rafa, here. Sabi atrium. Saan na?
Parang si Mau.
Don't wave na. It's a photo. You stop waving. Just smile. 1, 2, and... Yan, okay. Look at my camera, guys. 1. No chocolate first. No chocolate.
Kunin mo, Nico. Bilis, kunin mo.
Put it. I have more chocolate. Na 3 layers pala to.
Buffet.
Yung ano mapagpanggap yung mga damit nyo, tapos pinagtititiran nyo yung sorbete. Papa, Mama.
Where did you get that? This looks like green.
Saan yan, no? Dito na pala eh. Ano, maganda? Dali, pa. Akin to i-bulsa nyo lang kahit matiklop, pero hanapin ulit yan. So, ito na finally. Ano ba, TikTok side o ano? Ito, hawakan mo. Ito pang TikTok. Sabay, go.
Hindi, sabi ko sa paano sa basahin. Yan ang malupit. Ayun ang manis. Ayun ang pita ko video. Ayun dapat ang video.
Tumatakbo pa?
Oo, sir.
So, finally, natapos na rin ang aming pinagpaguran, pinaghirapan. Check it out. So, ito yung buong pinagpaguran namin. Baliktad. Yan. So, ito yung buong pinagpaguran namin for the last 2 weeks, no? 2 weeks straight na hardcore. Ito yung team. Good job, good job, good job. Good job, team. Sila Jazreel, tsaka sila, no? Boys, good job, ha?
Good job.
Galing. So, ito yung lahat na pinagpaguran namin. And, imagine niyo. So, lahat yan rin-restore namin. Tama yung sequence mo, Ray, no?
Ang pagbasa, sir, is right to left.
Tama.
Right, left. Pag punta rito, right, left pa rin. Ganun pa rin yung basa dapat.
Tapos nasa ano natin? Ito.
Yes, sir.
Sana mali, sana dito muna. Wala na pumapansin.
Kaya pa natin ilipat ko, sir?
Dito mo.
Kaso parang sobra siya.
Ano?
Pansin?
Hindi, dito lang. Okay lang. Buhay mo dito. Kaya pa? Sige, dito mo.
Dito, sir?
Yan. Welcome. Simula doon sa uno. Right. Boys. Pag may dumarating, i-guide nyo naman na dito ang start.
Okay po.
Para hindi sila dumiretso doon.
Okay po, sir.
Sabihin nyo. Right, Rafa. Pag may dumarating, i-guide nyo na dito ang start. Ha?
Okay po.
Guide nyo.
Who's the oldest of your siblings?
Ha?
Who's the oldest of your siblings?
Me?
You?
No, Mamo.
No, I mean oldest of the siblings.
Your papa. Your dada.
He's the oldest?
Yes.
Like, who's that?
So ito, eventually, ito mga to, ito na yung lahat ng stigo. Tapos tingnan nyo yung ano, yung lighting. Galing to sa office. Ito yung ginagamit to sa office. So ginawa yung buong trusses na to. Grabe, ginawa lahat yan ng construction team. So shout out sa buong construction team. Tapos buong gallery team, oh. Tapos lahat pa to, free-name pa namin ng kahoy. So galing, no, Rayo? Na-frame pa lahat. So ang ganda ng framing. So ang ganda ng framing ng mga kahoy. Grabe, lupit.
Nag-ribbon cutting na po sila.
Oh, yes. Ay, kaya lang pumasok sila lahat. Okay,
May ano lang, sir.
They want the graphic. Okay, everybody please join them.
Ay, wait, I will start. Faster, faster.
Okay guys. Eyes here please. Alright, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Video.
Happy birthday, Sonia!
Okay, one more.
Apo, clip lang. Palagi ko ano mga videos natin.
Happy birthday, Sonia! Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go!
Happy birthday, Sonia!
Okay, good evening. Narinig niyo ako sa loob? Can everyone hear me sa loob? Ayan, sige. So, good evening everyone. Before we begin, first of all, happy birthday po kay Mami Sonia. Palakpakan natin. Mami knows that there's a party, definitely invited everyone she wants to be here, but she doesn't know what is going on. So, first time niya makikita yung prepare sa loob, and yung first part is labor of love ng aking kuya, si Kuya Ian. So, take it away and then i-ribbon cut na lang para, ribbon untie pala, hindi pala siya cut, para mapa-open na natin so ano yung first part ng birthday.
Okay, so first of all, thank you for being here. Actually, this is very exciting. Pasensya na, medyo mainit, so I'll make this very, very quick. There will be so many surprises for tonight. So this is actually a labor of love. Siguro mga 2 to 3 months of preparation, and then last 2 weeks talaga wala ng tulugan. So this is a celebration that has been participated by almost 50 people, all the way from construction team, design team, AI team, tech team, IT team, and all the siblings of the family. Talaga pinagandaan to. Whatever you will see inside, everything is handmade. From the construction of the booth, of the panels, and all of the restoration na makikita yun sa loob. So, abangan nyo yun. And siguro, this is just a tribute to my mom celebrating her 70th birthday today. This is a very exciting moment for each and everyone, not only her being 70 right now, just being a part of her life's journey of everyone, for the entire company and also the entire siblings. And then siguro last but not the least would be the ribbon cutting. So I'd like to express so many things pa, pero we have so much more that will happen later this evening. For now, let's do the ribbon cutting, and then Mommy, to appreciate it, start from the right all the way to the left. Take your time, and then siguro for her friends who haven't seen whatever you will see inside, siguro just follow her. Start from the right, go to the left, and then just enjoy everything that you will see inside. So, congratulations, and let's do the ribbon cutting.
Ribbon untying, hindi cutting.
Ribbon untying and cutting. Just undo the ribbon.
Tatatandaan ko picture eh.
Okay, congratulations!
Okay, mauna ka na kayo yan. Mauna ka. Ito. Mauna ka.
Happy birthday to you. Welcome. Pasok na ng Sonny Madrid. Let's all come inside. So, eto Mommy. Come here. Mommy. So, lahat yan. Talagang painstakingly. Taking. Surprise pa? Anong surprise? Okay. Ito para si Ryan. So, congratulations. Double celebration pala tayo today kasi si Ryan, pinanganak yung anak niya exactly yesterday, exactly on the birthday of my mom. So, yung first son niya, pinanganak din on the same day na birthday ni Mommy. So, ano sila? Co-celebrants for today. Okay, so Mommy, by the way, tingnan niyo yung construction. Lahat ng ginawa ng construction team, design team, AI team, IT team, tsaka GP team. Anyway, sige. Tara. Sama-sama tayo. So the first booth is Pangasinan, my first home. Second booth, ang title ay Beating Him Was Just the Beginning. Third would be my life's turning point. And then the last would be Life Comes Full Circle after all. May music ba tayo dyan? Not that one, mga judgment lang or something, you know. Something that would fit the mood.
Pwede yung first set ng band. Okay, yan. Band na po.
So lahat nito, isa-isa. So I'll give a little bit back.
Hindi, ako lang. Naka-flashlight ka.
Natin ang the first two parts. Sobrang damage na yung photo. So we have to restore them using AI tools. 3-4 different AI tools na ginamit namin to restore each and every photo. Bawat isang photo, it took us around 10 hours for every photo to restore them. Using rejuvenation, i-enlarge lang. Tapos ayusin na rin, i-enhance na rin, i-repair na rin. So there's really a story from right to left. So, may papagdagan po sa salita for everyone.
I like sitting here. When I passed the CPA exam, there was not companies like the BIR, Coca-Cola, and even Philippine Airlines. But my heart was set on mastering the fundamentals of audit and accounting. That's why I chose an accounting firm and an audit firm.
So ito sa taas, nakasulat, don't go to Manila in 1970. I had to convince my mother multiple times na to go to Manila for college. By the time she finally agreed.
Hindi mabasa. Nasa sa atin.
Okay, baba natin sir.
Kaya na, bababa ako.
Pero ito, isasagat si Moja sa lalang ko ito. Kasi parang hindi mo sinasabi din na yung dalalang.
Salita ka na. to make it really accurate, kasi if you're not doing it properly, magiging sure it is already pwede mo ito sa taas. Ano? The last dance. The last dance. So exactly the last dance. Kasi this was your farewell party in 1851. After being a corporate woman for the last 3 years, having a child died on the side, the dance was given a June and started living after her life. So and after 20 years, after 20 years, what we had is the one of the organization. As a one, we go to the offices of our ministries. Pwede rin natin mag-say yung sa little bit more. So, finally, ito humble brand na. Actually, nag-relate sila, yung mga binibigyan nila na also. But this is really accurate. Because federal relations, federal marketing centers, federal distributions, 400 federal employees, and of course, Mommy, Papa, through many agents like Bureau offices, 30,000 square meter of business operations, and employing over 2,000 Bureau workers na we didn't expect that. Kaya po siya sa 70 alam mo pag-uwi. Employees and still be doing trying to work ahead. But for so many moves, 2,005. Naalala ko pa lahat. So 20 years of friendships, dito nakakayanan ang Renaissance as family. So, beginning of serving as an excellent CEO for leading operational, fast forward, because this is the market of largest manufacturing creators, market category. Of course, we really with Meta also for the last 2 years. So not only it's all about businesses, it's also so much friendships and relationships that we've made in the years. And now serving as a Meta president. So, ang title sa dito is title ng pangalan. So, the title ng mga my life is turning point from an employee to employer. The second one, meeting me was destiny. And then the last one is life comes after God. The year of love. So, ito na. All the boss.
Now all makes sense. They say that measure of life's wealth and success is found in your achievements children. Now I understand why God endowed me in such intensity and strength as a woman. It was all meant to build something greater, to reflect God's love and purpose through my people and my family.
Ito yun, saan ito? Manyan pa. Mandaluyong. Mandaluyong pa. Kaya naman kasi kaya ito. Kaya second piano.
After 45 years, the hard work now fills my heart with more joy than witnessing the 5 children stand together, united in love, with God and family as their guiding light. Everything led to this moment. Love isang
So everything led to this moment. So login sa accounting and business controls all led to this moment.
what began as simply working hard to provide for our five children has multiplied into something much bigger. I thank God for blessing me not only with success or success, but with the true wealth of legacy that will endure through our children and grandchildren for generations and centuries. Ito na lang si
If true everything passes in the blink of an eye, it feels like just yesterday that I said yes to Sammy and watched our 5 children running around in Philippines. Now they are all married to their wonderful partners, Esel Disagut, Nicole Cabanto, Eric Santillan, Nicky Campino, and Mia Arevalo. Will bring and pray for children and lead very success.
It all started here. Naging ganyan. It all started here. Okay, so siguro may more first.
So, bigyan natin ng palakpakan kung gumawa nito.
Mia, how about the final design? Mabilis pa lahat.
Familiar lahat yan. These are designed and creation by SB Habib Lead Photographer yan.
Portraits me. Yung portraits na gawa ni
Yung parang portraits, itong naka-black ako at saka naka-white. These were taken during pandemic time. Habang nasa Singapore kami, nakakanood. Si Jean, sabi niya yung mga wala tayong magawa, mag-picture naman tayo, shoot na. So, ito word of love din kay Jean siya. She was the one who took the photos.
Hey, congratulations to everyone. Pero marami pang surprises until later. As in marami pa. So siguro, let's all sit back. Ito pala si Jean.
Okay, so, buksan na lang. Dapat mamaya pa yung buffet, pero, ay, first pa naman. Okay. Mamaya. So guys, habang mag-play yung band, let's mingle. If you notice, may dalawang kinds of seats. So, depende sa, ayoko sabihin each group. Pag feeling young, dito tayo sa likod. Yan. So, depende na lang sa inyo kung saan yung gusto ko. Have fun. This is not super formal. Let's mingle. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Okay. First, turn you over to
Sir. Success, grabe. So, hindi ko inakala. Actually, mas maganda siya in person. Ray, ngayon ko lang na-realize that mas malalaki pa. Pwede pa natin ilaban, no? Ang lalaki, higante. May places pa. Hindi, pero maganda rin yung spacing eh. Para sinakto mo sa dalawang ano. Pero maganda rin yung flow. No? Hindi lang matanda friendly.
Sa 71st birthday
siya. Sa AI namin, AI boy, manis ka. May kulang. May kulang na AI. Finally natapos din. Nakita mo yun? Nakita ko lang. Ito yung write-up.
Nabasa na namin kanina. Grabe. Walk down memory.
Ay, naghahanap ng papa. Saan yung papa? Sana yung tatay? Yun. Napa ulit.
Congrats! Ang ganda ng gallery.
Finally makakatulog na kami. Pero nag-gets nyo mula una hanggang dulo. Gets nyo yung restoration, malulupit.
Nag-gets ko na.
Mas malulupit pa
Nag-gets ko, nagbebenta ka ng service para pabili.
Ay, Ma'am Mitzi, thank you. Nabasa nyo ba? Sir?
Sabi ko kami lang ang dito, outsider.
Hindi ah.
Sino pa invited mo?
Dahil dumating kayo, sila na ang outsider.
Ang ganda.
Ganda. Nakita nyo, ma'am doon na start ha, tapos dito pa tapos. Lahat na ng AI.
Sir.
Ano, binasa nyo ba? Hindi kayo nagbabasa, puro kayo ice cream. Puro kayo ice cream eh. Success, success. Success boys ha. O bakit? Lupit. Nabasa nyo ba? Hindi naman kayo nagbabasa eh. Puro kayo ice cream eh. Inintindi nyo ba? Ay, ikaw na. Kailan ka dumating? Anong taon? Oo, nandun si Mar. Doon. Doon nakarating si Marlon. Ikaw, kailan ka?
2006 na si Alan.
2006.
2005, December.
Ikaw, doon ka pa sa dulo.
Pinag-drive mo pa ako na rin.
Yun, so it's definitely a very happy.
I would like to call Tita Meg, the baby sister of Mami, and also.
Hello. Ayan. So, good evening everyone. I hope you're having a good time. So, alam nyo, ang Madrid family, especially the company SP, you agree with me, especially this is logical, siya ay straightforward and direct to start her life here in Racing or grade 4 I think. No? So, when of course, si Ate Son, nagkasama na lang kami sa Manila. So, kwentuhan ko na lang kayo kung paano si Ate Son. Si Ate Son being logical, syempre ako, I was so sad then kasi syempre merong separation anxiety with my mom. Hindi yung sinabi ko na she's ganun din siya. So when that time come na okay na nasa Manila ako at ako'y umiiyak, namimiss ko ang mama ko, never did I see her na i-hug niya ako or sabihin niya ng mga encouraging words na kaya mo yan. Pero anong ginawa niya? Ha? Sinolusyonan niya yung problema ko. Ang ginawa niya, kumuha siya ng katulong sa Pangasinan. Yung katulong namin doon, para meron daw akong makakasama, makakausap. Ganon si Ate Son. Then, diba? Ganon si Ate Son, magmahal sa kapatid. So in fact, even my other brother, for sure, Papang and Mamang are very proud, are able to emulate kung ano yung love and respect. Ate Son, the champion, the logical sister, but very loving and caring.
Muna na. Punta tayong Germany.
Ha?
Germany.
Parang ayoko dun. Gusto ko sa... Hello, good evening. Bernal de Dios. Son, thank you for being part of I know that you can find the computer and then that is your strength. I have to tell you, I know is embedded in you. That is your strength. So your day-to-day life is qualified. And let your assumption be the way to better opportunity is the start of the game. And when she gets carried away, it can be ignored. When we traveled to Amsterdam last year with Sonia, Sammy, and Vincent, we did not have any idea what she wanted to buy. When we stepped into it, and the excitement escalated to buying things. Wow! But on our way there, attorney was telling us about this bidding part. Errol, finally my dream will come true. Attorney said. As we stepped out the watchhouse, let it be. SSM has other plans. Son, I know you can think less, but I see the excitement in you that leads to fulfilling your dream or dream. Happy birthday. Loves you.
Effective po. So, para sa mga kailangan ng pick-up line, effective naman.
Testament ko ng pick-up line ko. Kung wala akong talent, ito na lang. Anyway, so our...
Son, Sammy, good evening. Good evening to everybody. I did not intend to write because I wanted it to be something impromptu from the heart. But I decided to write because I might forget the important. Sonia. First, I would like to tell my story of friendship with Sonia. Para sa akin, and she has remained humble. Fearless and daring. Her first foray with Petron was a station deep in the jungles of Payatas, when that part of the city was literally a dumpster. She developed the convenience store of that station when she saw the potential there. There was a time that na walang malakaran ng tao dun sa aisles ng... Ang palagay ko, there was a time mas malakas ang kinikita niya doon kaysa sa Fort. Yun ang kwento ng unang stasyon ni Sonia. Then, now, she's the only one of the multi-station dealers. Maraming multi-station dealers, pero siya lang ang multi-station dealer or the friends group. Sorry mga sir, just telling the truth. Ganyan kabilib ang kumpanya sa kanyang abilidad. Ang LPG distributor sa Laguna, and now she has 5 satellite distributors and the potential of business opportunities. Allow me to share how Sonia got involved with PETA. Back in 2019, kinausap kami, nakiusap kami ni Willie sa kanila ni Sammy if she could possibly serve in the board of PETA. Alam ng mga kaibigan natin na involved, kasama si Sammy sa usapan namin. I felt she was ready to serve and share her wealth. As a finale to that dinner that we had at Kimono Ken at Tomas Morato, it was neither a yes or a no. Sabi ni Sammy sa akin, we will pray over it. I saw Sammy from a different light that night. And now, in her capacity as PETA president, she introduced the power and effect of social media. The second attribute of Sonia is her dedication to her sworn office. Napakasipag ni Sonia, indefatigable. Walang kapaguran, anything to guarantee success of an undertaking, she will go for it. In my 12 years involvement with PETA, working with Sonia, to think that when she started as a director, hindi niya memorize yung kalahati ng mga dealers na kasama niya sa Metro Manila. And now, as PETA president, she has gone out of her way to personally engage area coordinators all over the country. Alam niya kung ilan lahat ang cohorts ng PETA. Empower the cohorts. But, totoo lang, kayang-kaya ni Sonia handle lahat ng challenges of her position. She's good over heart. Tama yung sinabi ng sister niya eh. Si Sonia hindi emotional. Pag ikaw niyakap ni Sonia, big time ka. Si Sonia is not only successful as an entrepreneur. Ang slogan ng mga Madrid kids is MYMP, make your mama proud. When one talks about Sonia, Sammy cannot be far behind. Their tandem is a symbiotic wind beneath your wings relations. Sonia is cool to the point of being detached sometimes. But I can attest to her being a very caring friend. I have not been well since the end of April this year. And she and Sammy Their concern for me is ang mabutihan nyo sa akin. Sonia has not changed since the time I met her. I met her when she was on OJT during her finishing her dealer management course at the station of Tita Rose in Kamuning. Doon siya nag-OJT. Sabi ko noon, gusto ko makisasyon sa Payatas. And she has not changed from that time. Okay, so she has remained simple, low profile, and humble. So mahaba na masyado ang aking kwento. Tapos in a tribute, in a eulogy, is that one is for the living, and the other. I reiterate my heartfelt thanks to the Madrid children for giving me the chance to tribute their mother in my humble way. Last na, Sonj. May your star continue to soar higher and shine brighter. May the dreams you hold dearest be those which come true, and the kindness you spread keep returning to you. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, Sonj.
Okay, so for the next program, I'd like to introduce.
This year, I turned 42 this year. So, I married into the family when I was 21 years old. So, parang half of my life, I've been part of this family. And I'm really grateful to be part of your family. You have 5 kids, we have 5 kids, we have 4 boys and 1 girl, and we also have 4 boys and 1 girl. And then, I just want to say that I'm very grateful to be part of the family. I love you, and I hope that you enjoy the night.
Okay, so this next number is dedicated to my mom. It's entitled, hindi joke ko. Hindi ako makanta ng father ko. But anyway, so the next, very fortunate, me and Kuya Jared, a little bit of Jean, yung pangatlo. Talaga na-experience namin yung humble, hungry, and talagang doon namin na-feel talaga na-feel talaga namin yung struggle kasi I-feel mo talaga first hand. Yung mami na siguro 7 years old ata ako, binili naman ako ng first plastic watch ko. Tapos, nung nakuha ko yung plastic watch ko, si Jean is 2 years younger than me. So dahil nagka-plastic watch na ako, siguro for some reason baka yung Philippines dumali na makabili ng plastic watch. Nung 6 years old si Jean, binila mo siya ng plastic watch. Tapos sabi ko, Mami, unfair. Bakit? Plastic watch, ba't siya 6 years old meron? So yun talaga mafe-feel mo na for every stages of our, yung family's growth, this combination of the adventure that we had for the past so many years and decades. Siguro, Mami, I have a little bit more to share. Pero yun lang, think about it. 70 years old ka na. So definitely, the video is a compilation of so many people behind this video in the company. Na iniisa-isa lang namin lahat ng mga videos na mahanap namin na nandun si Mami. So day and night, we'll be part of that video. Kinompile namin yun. That's ito na yun, yung play natin video. Yung video.
Yeah.
Ay, sorry. Stop. Wrong video. Stop. As in, Gerald, tama di ba wrong video? Wrong video yung dapat isa. Sorry! As in, importante yung video na yun. Pero okay, so, yun yung abangan nyo mamaya. Make sure everyone stays for the second video. Kasi malupit yun. Pero ito muna. Ay, sorry. Stop. Sandali. Wait. Nasaan yung mga natin? Bumalik. But anyway, it's not related. So, ito yung video. Enjoy.
Hi, Mama.
So, memorable story, growing up with you. So, I remember one time, it was a summer break. I think it was high school, first year high school ako. So, I don't have any money and I wanted to have some extra cash so I can, buy stuff for myself. And you told me you'll give me 10,000 pesos if I help you do some recon on some financial statements. So you went home with really a large, siguro thick files, like really stacks of like financial statements for me to go do sa mga ledger, mga cash flow statements, all of that. So I actually did that, and then it took me 4 weeks. So mano-mano yun, I mean, there's no Excel back then, so that's all pen and paper. I'm not sure if you still remember it. So after 4 weeks of grinding through that all paperwork, I spent hours and hours of that. I went back to you, sabi ko, Ma, nasa yung 10,000 pesos ko. This is all done and completed. Sabi mo sa akin, ha? Pero ba't ang pinag-usapan ng 10,000 pesos? Thank you na lang. So syempre, wala na akong masabi. But until today, hindi ko pa ako pinabayaran. But anyway, I think there are just two things that I learned from that. First, I realized I like numbers pala. I mean, I would not have done that work if, at least have the patience to do that if I didn't like looking at financial statements and numbers. So those are actually very, very important in what I do today. Secondly, it actually made me appreciate what you do for a living. Mahirap pala maging CFO and you really have to deal with all of these financial statements and make recommendations to your companies so they're in a better position to make better decisions. So, I appreciate what you do and everything you've taught me. And thank you for opening my eyes, at least in the world of finance at a very, very young age. So I love you and happy birthday.
So I have a beautiful story about mommy. At hindi siya yung beautiful story na inaakala nyo. So nung grade 1 or grade 2 ako, isang gabi, tutor niya ako para sa spelling test ko tomorrow. At ang word na pinapaspell niya sa akin ay beautiful. At ang problema, sobrang tagal ko bago ma-spell, hindi ko talaga siya makuha. At naalala ko, puro kurot, palo, at sermon na nakukuha ko dahil talagang hindi ko makuha yung word na beautiful. Tapos naalala ko pa noon, yung papel dun sa baba, talagang basang-basa na dahil hindi ko talaga ma-spell yung beautiful. So eventually, kahit papano, nakachamba ako na isang beses lang ako tumama doon sa word na beautiful. Akala ni mommy, nakuha ko na rin ng tama. Tinis na niya ako at hinagda niya ako at sinabi niya, o sige Ian, matulog ka na sa taas. Dahil late na yun, tagal namin natapos para lang doon sa word na beautiful. So eventually, nung bakit na ako sa hagdanan, sabi ni mommy, o sige nga, spell mo pa ulit yung beautiful. At sobrang nagpanik ako dahil hindi ko na alam kung paano ulitin yung spelling. Umiyak ako ng matindi, tapos tumakbo na ako sa taas dahil hindi ko na alam kung paano uulitin yung word na beautiful. So hanggang ngayon, kinikwento ko sa mga anak ko. At ang tawag ni Nicole doon sa story na yun ay yung beautiful story ko about mommy. So kung pinapakinggan nyo ng mga bata, akala nila meron talaga akong beautiful story. Pero tungkol pala sa horror story on how to spell the word beautiful.
Mahirap maging mommy si mama. Alam mo kung bakit? Napakataas ng standards niyan. Alam mo ba, nung grade 2 ako, meron akong sinalingang extemporaneous speaking competition. At doon ko nalaman na may stage fright pala ako. So habang nasa harapan naman ng maraming tao at natatameme, may isang tao na tumatawa at nag-heckle sa crowd. Alam niyo kung sino? Si Mami yun. Kaya thank you, Mami. Dahil sa'yo, nawala yung stage fright ko. Dahil after ng experience na yun, talagang pinagpapahugan ko to get rid of my stage fright. So, salamat, Mami.
Nung bata ako, hindi naman ako gano'ng katalinuhan. So, ang nagpatalino sa akin is yung porot, galit at palo ni mami sa akin. Pero sa mabuting palad, nakagraduate naman ng high school. Pero after niya akong pagalitan, paluin, tsaka turutin, nililibre niya ako ng 1-piece chicken meal dun sa tabi ng office niya, which is also a beer house. Para sa akin, aking nanay na si, walang iba na si Sonia Marvel. Para siyang coin, two sides of a coin. Or kaya wearing two hats. Nung nag-uumpisa akong magnegosyo, nung mayroon akong isang branch ng kapital, ang agad niyang bungad sa akin, baka saan na yung pangalawang mong branch. Yun yung kanyang parang very challenging and driving side. Yung pangalawang side niya, siguro di akalain na madami, ay yung pagganap niya ng isang sobrang devoted na nanay sa amin.
pag niyayakap kami na napakahigpit, for some reason, napakahigpit ng yumakap. Para bang binabawin niya yung mga oras na hindi niya kami kasama. Hindi niya alam, kahit di namin siya kasama madalas nung bata kami, parang may wireless, may wifi kami pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Kaya kung may imagine mo, magampanan niya parehas yung maging very challenging and driving motivator, and also a consoling and loving mother who is always at your back.
We're just getting started.
Everything for me.
Ito kasi si Ian eh, balik ko yung mga kaya eh.
Yung driver natin, umorder ng mahal na drinks o mahal na pagkain. Ano mensahe mo sa kanya?
Parang mukha niya. Kung nag-share na tayo, tapos siya solo order. Hindi siya nagutom.
Lakas nga to. Ayaw mo sa musician, yung pagiging musikero ko, yun siguro nagustuhan ni Sonia. Kami kasunod. And undeniably, siya yung nakita kong the most brilliant candidate in the class. Kasi she was ahead of the lessons. Just one problem. Strict ang parents eh. So andito lang siya sa, nagpunta lang kami sa nasa Maynila siya. Ang purpose niya was, ang objective niya was to finish her studies, take the board, and go home. And at the time, there were may problema ang transportation to the provinces. That was, the year was 1975. Pag ikaw ay nasa probinsya, talagang probinsyano ka. And There were communities were isolated kasi napakahirap ng communication. And ito nga, something happened. Sinagot ako ni Sonia. First love ko siya eh. First love din daw niya ako. And then, 2 months pa lang, after the board exam, sabi na, after the board exam pa lang, 1 month before the board and after the board, sabi niya, magpapaalam na ako sa iyo sa amin. Sabi ko, I know. Pinapauwi na ako ng papa ko at si Paeng, susunduin na ako. Well, I took it graciously. Ano lang letter niya sa akin, may farewell letter sa akin. So, it was a heartbreaking moment. So, I wrote her a letter then. Okay lang, neutral. And I wrote a song. Yung song na yun has remained in my heart. It was a farewell song to a one and only love. It was in 1975. And then, when Jean told me na magkakaroon ng celebration na to, sabi niya, compose a song, Papa. Sabi ko, I only have a limited time. So it was about 6 weeks earlier. Sabi ko, paano magagawa to? So sabi niya, try to recall if you had a song before. So biglang naisip ko, I recall this song that I recorded on a very crude tape recorder and gave her as a farewell gift. So I will now sing a song to you. 2 parts. Yung first part is my farewell song to Sonia. And the second part is of course the current events. Pero I want you to... Hindi, taga mo. Mataas ang sound ha. The second part is intended... the first part is intended to make you feel how lonely it was for Sammy in 1975. And the second part is the current events. It's intended to break your eardrums. Yung first part, medyo maganda yun. Pero yung pangalawa, pang-buisit na, pang-asar na lang sa inyo. I hope you enjoy it. So malakas ang volume, taasan ang volume ha, dapat mabigay sila. Sonia, ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo.
Woo!
the second bar. We are on the road. We are on the road. We are on the road. But we can pray. That came forth. Maya Pepe born in New York, USA, but the land remains. All of them were born in Singapore, but the Armenia, Filipino. We are on the road. We are on the road. We are on the road, but we can pray. We are on the road. Evelynda Ultra is from Cardiac Sound. God bless you, baby. See you in September. We are on the road. 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 Ayun. Ang nabanggit ko kanina, si Ryan and Mia, we were expecting their child this coming September. Umabol, pinanganak siya kanina.
Kahapon.
So, ka-birth niya yun ni Sonia.
Kahapon.
Kahapon pala. That was yesterday. Pinanganak kahapon, our latest edition. So, welcome to the world, our latest edition. Martino, nasira kong tenga nyo. Bye-bye.
Like in my role, lagi I always do public speaking, but this is like probably ako yung kinakabahan of all the things that I have to talk about because it's my mom. So, siguro for me, it's a testament to my mom. I actually just wanna, at least, there are a lot of things. Actually, I wrote something that I don't think I can write it now because of everything that I've seen. Yung mga testimonials with people that have talked about my mom, the videos. So, I'm actually gonna scratch everything. I just want to focus on one theme, which is really gratefulness, and just want to say things. Typically, when we do birthdays, puro pamilya-pamilya lang. Sabi ni Jinjin, no, in-invite namin lahat, mga kaklase niya, professional, PETA, everyone. Sabi ko, pati mga empleyado, lahat. Sabi ko, sobrang dami naman yan. It's for a person who reached at 70 to be really with all of her closest colleagues and friends that really made an impact on her life. So thank you very much. So this is the first one. Second thing is really on gratefulness again. With thank you, I really want to say thank you to all. So now with the kids and all in full swing. Si Ryan, well, you should be in the hospital right now. Literally, I just gave birth a few hours ago, but he's here. Their family and their work is really spent again. It's a birthday gift to my mom. So thank you guys for making this happen for Mama. So I think lastly, I really want to thank my person that I really need to thank for is really Mama. Thank you, Mama, for raising me. I'll just do this my own personal testament. I'll be very honest, Ma. I think I'm at a point where I've always looked at you and Papa as my inspiration to really excel in whatever I do. I remember I went to law school, I didn't pass the exam, but you guys pushed me to try it again. And then I went through, and then I got in. And then when I went to the US, I was so, was not sure if that was the right decision, but you guys kept on supporting me, helping me go through my MBA and then living in New York. When we decided to move back, you just kept on supporting us, like whatever you do, Jello, just will be there to support. And now, it's just one blessing after another, and then I'm running now one of the largest tech at least in the Philippines. To be honest, guys, I really do not know what I will do tomorrow to be able to deal with work, but the only person that I look at always are my parents, and they've always given me the strength to endure, this resilience to push forward because they've given so much to us and how they've given up so much. And Ian said that the hungry years were there. They've given up so much and they were so generous in a way to put us where we are today. And I also try to live on your legacy. So again, having said that, thank you very much, Ma. And you have no idea how much we love you. So thank you to my siblings, thank you my parents. That's why, having said that, I'm now calling everyone just to honor my So to Ma'am Sonia, to my mama, to the person that really drives inspiration for a lot of people in this room, to the impact that it made to all the lives, both at our employees, to our kids, to the communities that we serve, and to the future, where we are all part of your legacy, and we will honor that by continuing our best in what we do, because we take inspiration in what you've lived over the last 70 years. That truly is a remarkable achievement, Mama, and we are all standing here very proud to know you, be with you, and honor your very, very special day. Happy birthday, Mama. Cheers! Cheers! Thank you. Esa, it's your turn to shine.
Anyways, no? Pag kami ni Mama minsan, "Oy Mama, let's work together." So we're both looking at Excel, talking about numbers, and we could talk like 2 hours about numbers, and we love it, They say na my mother-in-law, these two are so alike. Like the more time I spent with Mama, I'm like, oh, that's why Jello's like this. And extremely generous to the people that they love. I think also si Mama, she visits us in the US before to help out. Laging ang pinapagalitan niya si Jello, "Hoy, si Hazel, hindi mo ginaganyan." So parang ako, "Sige, visit pa kayo, Mama," para So she is really because they see and they think alike. So I'm just so grateful for Mama. Like, you've taken care of is Mama. Or baka ako actually yung second call. Basta magkasunod kami makakalaman ng any life events si Jello. So thank you, Mama. We love you so much. So can we ask everyone, let's all stand up. And since I'm not a singer, we all have to sing Happy Birthday together. Okay? Sige, Mama, can you come in front of course?
Family.
The family, let's all, let's get Mama first to the middle. And then I'll give the mic to Jean. It's a gift from Lemon Squares Bakery Treats.
Thank you very much, Nina, and Errol for the very beautiful cake. Galing to pagmamahal to ng Big E, isa sa mga favorite family ko rin. So, thank you for this very beautiful cake.
tayo sa program. But we have a party segment. So 3 segments to. The first one was the gallery. So I hope everyone gets to check that out. This is the second part. After this, we still have drinks. There's going to be another set by the band. And marami pa tayong sayawan.
Okay, thank you po everyone. Thank you for still staying all the way till this time. Siguro so itong next video is actually a very special video na talagang prepare na for so long. So may simple mechanics lang siya to start it. Number 1, Season and Palisong family. Season and Palisong family. So syempre today, kung magpapatungin, just the physical albums siguro mas mataas pa sa akin yung albums na isa-isahin ko. And really, which is around 20 terabytes. Ang 20 terabytes, more or less million ng photos yun nandun. Last would be all the videos na in-upload sa. Hopefully, there are enough kids here that can later on do this to their parents. Ang isang malaking realization dito, Mami, actually, no one is really taking the time to really look back, di ba? Lahat tayo busy, moving forward, inaayos natin lahat ng mga gusto natin gawin, we all have things to pay for, kaya lahat tayo for tonight, as in kailangan ko talaga intindihin. So tinawagan ko si Tita Meg. Tita Meg, kwento mo sa akin yung bus. Tapos tinawagan ko si Mami, Mami, kwentuhan mo ako nung nakaraan. And ang pinaka nakakatuwa doon, and siguro, na-feel ko talaga nakarating ako sa era mo, Mami. As in, na-feel ko talaga doon ko lang nakita yung kinasal kayo, doon ko lang talaga inintindi yung photos. Kasi sometimes, just look at the photos, doesn't really say that much. Pero pag the other one, talagang nakikil ko yung struggles nyo, nakikil ko yung nagliligawan, nakikil ko yung moment na paano ko hindi nagkatuluyan. So, ang dami kong nakikil. At sana magawa natin yun in our own families, di ba? To really immerse ourselves in the past. Kasi that's really the only way to cherish the entire thing that we live for. Cherish the past kasi, di ba? That's basically who we are. Not really the future, it's really our past. So, by the way, for the video for tonight, isa na masasabi ko dito, this is really a compilation. This video is about a lot of love and technology. Ulitin ko yun the video that you're about to see is just a lot of love and technology. So hopefully,
My dearest Sonia, even when you were so young and independent, I want you to know how deeply proud I am of you. How I wish Pedro Raul and I could have joined this wonderful celebration tonight. Sonia, taking care of this family is now your legacy, a gift that will live on through the generations. Even though I'm no longer with you in body, my
is always beside you, watching over the amazing woman you've become in your life. You've built a beautiful life, and your success is a testament to the hard work that the Achi soul of my 5 children have also become the mother to all the seasoned families, guiding everyone with both love and strength. I can still recall, even when you were young, that you've always been very strong and independent. When you were in Dominican High School by yourself, and as you continue your journey with Paeng, Jing, and Meg, know that your Papa Pedro, Brother Raul, and I are all here watching over you with so much pride and love. Happy birthday, my beloved Sonia. Inagnaro taka anako. Mahal na mahal kita, my dear Sonia.
Thank you very much. So actually, sorry for the video. Actually, debate to within our siblings kung i-play ko pa yung video or hindi. We don't want an emotional moment for tonight. Pero it's really too good not to be done. And I hope you appreciate it. I hope you like it. Yun lang. Thank you so much for appreciating it. Akala ko before, akala ko mas trinato ko pang mas kapatid ko yung mga kaibigan.
Actually, you don't need to hold a party. Sabi ko, I never had a 7th birthday party, never an 18, never had a party in my life. So I'm not really used to doing this or holding a party. Pinachit, Petrozone party, mga Christmas, and this is all. They will hold a party for me. Sabi ko, no need, no. Sabi ko, nag-enjoy naman ako ng party, maraming klaseng parties, but wala silang magawa kasi they don't know who to invite dun sa party. So, it will be invited here. So, syempre, inumpisahan ko sa grade school friends. And I'm so thankful that I have a handful here from my... Then, pagdating ng college, that is from Central Escolar University, may nakita ako dito isa lang. Hindi ko alam kung andyan siya. Oh. Thank you, classmates, and both grade school, high school, and college. Siyempre, ang pinaka segments din yun because I used to be the CFO also of yung basta Filia food manufacturing, and I'm so happy that they are also. Thank you, Mom, Chito, and me, of course, for the Wamos group. Of me is my current family, the Big E Foods Corporation. Yung stores. And of course, they are known for their ang ganang buong mangkong ng Big E Foods Corporation. Of course, after Big E, dumating na sa buhay ko, Big E is from operation, my association with them. Both from the fuel. So maraming salamat sa board members, the employees. Actually, Petrozone family and SP Madrid family, ito sila, without them, siguro wala rin kami. So, thank you, andyan sila sa likod, sila yung social media, wala ho kaming kinomission dyan as we from where I was, like, maybe nagkaroon ako ng sariling isip about when I was
Alba, hello, hello.
Congratulations pala sa buong media team, Ana, Gerald, April.
For a few. Hold on. And
we're gonna celebrate and have